the Detroit Public Schools will no longer be a part of a Tuskegee educational experience. We have given this district concessions for over 10 years. We have not had a decent pay raise, not even a pay raise at all, in over 10 years. Yet we are still pulling monies out of our pockets, okay, to purchase whatever we need for our children, because we love our children. We love them, okay? We do. We're the parents to these kids from 6 to 8 hours a day, okay? Tuskegee Educational Experiment, let me go back to that. It was during 1929, Wall Street, once again there was a war. Wall Street had just bust just as Wall Street burst this time. Right after that, they turned right around and they started this experiment on African American males from Alabama. You all know the story, okay? Syphilis. Untreated syphilis. Well, wait a minute now. But they told the men when they lined up and came through the clinic that they were being treated for syphilis. Well, in reality, these men were only given sugar pills. Okay? It's the same scenario now. People are not informed enough. I am